One, two, three, 4, 5. Counting numbers makes me thrive. 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Lili! What are we doing today?
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready!
Mimi, wait a second. Slow down, please. Today I'm going to teach you something really fun. Are you ready to learn? What? Tell me. I want to know right now. Please.
We're gonna learn to count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Counting? What's that?
I never counted before. Is it hard? Can I really do it? Of course you can do it, Mimi. Come on, let's learn together. I'll help you every step of the way.
Look, Mimi, this is 1. Just 1. One little apple, all by itself. Can you say it? Say 1. Ooh, an apple. A big, shiny, beautiful apple. I love apples. Can I have it? Please, Mimi.
No. First we count, then you can eat it. Be patient. Learning comes first, okay? Okay, Mimi?
1, 1, here comes 1, 2, 2, now we have 2, 3, 3, let's count 3, 4, 4, we're counting more, 5, 5, we're halfway there, 6, 6, almost done, 7, 7, keep on going, 8, 8, we're doing great, 9, 9, one more time, 10, 10, we did it again!
Are you ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Keep going. I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Wait, is it 5? No, 9. Oops.
No, Mimi, that's okay. Let's try again, together. Nice and slowly. Follow me. Are you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it! Yay! Hey, you! Yes, you! Come count with us right now. Are you ready? Let's go together.
Come on, everyone. Let's all count together. Point your fingers just like us and follow along. Ready?
1, 1, here comes 1, 2, 2, now we have 2, 3, 3, let's count 3, 4, 4, we're counting more, 5, 5, we're halfway there, 6, 6, almost done, 7, 7, keep on going, 8, 8, we're doing great, 9, 9, one more time, 10, 10, we did it again!
I did it! I actually did it! I counted all the way from 1 to 10. Whoa! I can do it!
Of course you can, Mimi. I always knew you could do it. As long as you try, you can learn absolutely anything. Hey, did you count too? I bet you did amazing. Give yourself a big clap. You are so smart. Thank you so much for watching today, friends. See you in our next video. Take good care of yourselves. It was so much fun learning with you today. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.